a new Samajwadi Party versus BJP fight in Uttar Pradesh over whose P. Jain was raided. This perfume baron who's been raided, who is so rich, rich, that in Kannauj and Kanpur has over 200 crore rupees in cash which has been recovered. Now there is an ugly fight over who was giving him political patronage. Nahid Lari Khan, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Vivek Kumar Srivastava, leader of the BJP, continue to be with us. Nahid Khan, let me begin with you. You say that this Piyush Jain who has been raided has links with the BJP. The BJP senior leadership, including the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, say that this guy who's been raided has links with the Samajwadi Party. How many links does he have? And how can you corroborate your comment that he has links with the BJP?
Sanket ji, if you see in a span of 24 hours, Government of India's two major drawbacks have come forth. First, that yesterday, PM Modi ji, he made callous statement in Kanpur saying Bhashtachar ki it. And while he was making the callous statement, maybe simultaneously or maybe few hours later, DGGI submitted documents in court stating that this is turnover money. It's come out in newspaper that this is turnover money of Piyush Jain, yani bahi khate mein accountable money. Now the question arises that is the PM, Kagzi PM, that he has no knowledge. The second thing that I want to bring to your knowledge is that foreign hallmark gold bars were found with Piyush Jain. Now how can this gold bars reach UP without government and government agencies' knowledge? Now since DGGI has claimed that this is turnover money, so now the income tax department can also not take action on basis of black money. And everybody is understanding that basically it is BJP's black money which has very smartly been converted into accountable money. And various BJP spokespersons have accepted that Piyush Jain is related to BJP. Even the Shikhar Pan Masala, if you see, they have given their CSR funds to Prime Minister Care Fund, Swachh Bharat and Namami Ganga. Even and if you see the Instagram and Facebook page, it has BJP's logo saying Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Shikhar ke saath. So everybody is understanding that this man is connected with BJP, and BJP, while implementing demonetization and GST, said it will end black marketing, it will end corruption, it will black money, it will end corruption, it will root out printing of fake currencies. So how come such enormous amount of money is being unearthed in Kanpur?
Okay, Srivastava ji. Okay, I've heard your point.
One second more, just 1 second more. And then secondly, the NCRB data suggests that printing of rupees 2,000 fake notes has gained more momentum from 2018 to 2019. And if you talk about UP, printing of fake currency notes is skyrocketed.
Okay. I'm restricting myself to just this case to understand who is the P. Jain. Srivastava ji, एक second. Srivastava ji, so there are two P. Jains. एक का नाम है पीयूष जैन, दूसरे का नाम है पुष्पराज जैन. अब पुष्पराज जैन is a P. Jain who lives in the same, एक ही गली में रहते हैं कन्नौज में, but he is part of the समाजवादी पार्टी. और ये जिनको आपने रेड किया है, जो आप ही की सरकार की एजेंसी कह रही है कि हम इन्हीं के पीछे थे, ये वो P. Jain नहीं है. सो डू यू फील कि कहीं ना कहीं आपसे एक बड़ी भूल हो गई है कि आपने पहले तो उनको समाजवादी पार्टी से लिंक कर दिया और बाद में आप ही की एजेंसी ने बोला कि नहीं ये वो नहीं है, दूसरे हैं.
No, Mr. Sanket, this P. Jain is also related to Kannauj, and Pushparaj Jain is also related to Kannauj. Everybody knows very well कन्नौज की इत्र नगरी से किसके संबंध कितने हैं. समाजवादी पार्टी का जिस तरह से इत्र आया और जिस तरह से अखिलेश यादव के संबंध वहां से इत्र नगरी से हैं, और जिस तरह से इनके पास
एक सेकंड श्रीवास्तव जी, दिस इज सच अ वेग कमेंट that he is from Kannauj, everybody in Kannauj is everybody's friend, so that is why there is a connection.
देखिए, मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि अभी पीयूष जैन रिमांड पे हैं, 14 दिन की रिमांड है, उसमें वो मुंह खोलेंगे, वो सबके
अच्छा वो मुंह खोलेंगे. नाहिद लारी खान कह रही हैं कि अब आर्टिकल्स आ रहे हैं कि ये सारा पैसा जो है वो टर्नओवर मनी की तरह दिखाया जाएगा. यानी कि करप्शन का कहीं नामो निशान नहीं
ये
होगा।
कोर्ट में दे दिया गया है, सबमिट कर दिया
हाँ,
DGPI
एक
ने,
सेकंड,
कोर्ट
जवाब
में
ले लो।
डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट किए,
जवाब
देखिए
ले लो।
अखबार में निकला है।
देखिए जब उनका 5 करोड़ का ही टर्नओवर है, इनकम टैक्स से ये आ चुका है और डीजीआई उनको ले चुका है रिमांड पे, 14 दिन की रिमांड है। अगर सब कुछ सही होता तो उनको पुलिस 14 दिन की रिमांड पे क्यों लेती? वी शुड वेट, हमको प्रतीक्षा करनी चाहिए, वो उस जांच के दौरान
So you are saying that whether it is Pushparaj Jain or Piyush Jain, everybody is connected to Samajwadi Party. I look at this as a shifting of goalposts because this is not the original. अभी पिछले हफ्ते आप ये बात नहीं बोल रहे थे, पिछले हफ्ते आपने ये बोला था कि समाजवादी पार्टी परफ्यूम वाले पी जैन है। आज आप बदले बदले से हैं।
नहीं, हम बदले बदले से नहीं है। जिस तरह से समाजवादी पार्टी का इस नगरी से जो रिलेशन है, जिस तरह के उनके संबंध है और जिस तरह से इनके पास ये इतनी बड़ी रकम मिली है, ये क्लियर है कि ये किसी
So you are
पॉलिटिकल
saying that we
Connection.
should wait and
Kindly
watch
allow
to
me
know
to-
about this connection, whereas the Samajwadi Party says that he is your man, and now you are trying to defend your man. आप अपने आदमी को अब
Yes.
बचा रहे हैं।
नहीं, वी आर नॉट सेविंग एनी करप्टेड पर्सन, वी आर एक्सपोजिंग देम, और हम उसके
Right.
पीछे क्या क्या है वो सबको एक्सपोज
Okay, Nahid Lari Khan as well as Mr. Srivastava, I've completely run out of time. This will be an interesting story. Let's see how it develops, and let's see what we find out or don't find out in the probe of a person who used to ride a scooter, and then we found more than 200 crore rupees on him. Good night and goodbye.